Afternoon to you. Many people seem to think that the Mediterranean is the place to go for some winter warmth and some winter sunshine, and indeed that is often not the case, not least of all at the moment. Just look at Corfu, for instance. They've had 50 millimetres of rain just recently. That's a couple of inches, and at Naples a very similar amount of rain. And much of the Mediterranean is very unsettled at the moment. It's blanketed in this angry looking cloud that's giving some pretty heavy rain in many places, and some strong cold winds as well come to that. And nothing much is going to change in the next few days. There's going to be an area of low pressure lurking in that central and eastern part of the Mediterranean, still giving some heavy rain, and these very cold winds are going to come in behind that area of low pressure and produce some snow too in central and eastern areas of Europe. But back to the British Isles, we've had a weather system coming along. It started off fine. This particular band of cloud has come across from the west during the night and into this morning. It's ground to a halt now, and it's not really going to move very far at all during the course of the next 24 hours or so. There's a bit of clearer weather following along behind, and some clearer weather too tucked into that northeastern corner of the country. It's that particular weather system. As you can see here, it slowly fades away during the rest of the day, and through the night we lose this finger of low pressure, a little bit of a ridge coming along behind. So that means to say that very gradually that first front will be killed by the rising pressure. So the northeast of Scotland, bright and dry for the rest of the day. Over Northern Ireland, Wales and the southwest, although there's a little bit of rain and drizzle here and there, most of it will be petering out, and just here and there will be a glimmer or two of brightness. But in between, it's going to be a dull, damp afternoon, outbreaks of rain, a little bit of sleet mixed in too, and over some of the northern hills you'll find some snow as well. And it's going to be quite cold too. Best temperatures around about 4 degrees or so, milder in the southwestern part and across most of Ireland. That weather front not moving very fast, still around this evening and tonight, slowly getting squeezed by that rising pressure, but even so, a lot of cloud across most parts of the country, little bits of rain and drizzle here and there, most of it gone by the morning except in the southeastern corner, but at least the cloud will hold the temperatures up. We're not expecting any frost to speak of, touch of frost perhaps in that northeastern corner of Scotland, and with one or two breaks in the cloud in the southwestern corner, you'll end up with some fog patches. Tomorrow we're going to see another cloudy day, I think, in many parts. That rain and drizzle, the last of it petering away, but the cloud holding on. Again, perhaps a little bit of brightness in the southwestern corner, still a little bit of brightness there in the northeast. A very good afternoon.